We call the Orion instrument a multispectral imaging camera, and it is just that. It allows you to do multispectral data collection into a single camera.
FLIR Systems presents the Orion SC7000 series of infrared imagers. The SC7000 is a very flexible camera with the highest sensitivity, accuracy, spatial resolution, and speed. It's designed for a wide variety of uses, including government, range phenomenology, academic, and R&D applications.
The filter design on the Orion is very unique. Previous applications, you would have to load in one filter at a time and do imagery. The filter on the Orion has 4 positions for 4 different filters.
It rotates at a speed that allows for up to 400 frames per second imaging.
This allows you to do live video at up to 4 different, I'll call it subbands, within the infrared spectrum. Each filter would address a specific material, a specific infrared band of interest.
In the experiment, we wanted to illustrate how you can use the Orion camera to see different spectral bands, but also different temperature ranges within a single camera. For example, we have a propane torch, and we have a flame coming from the propane torch, and we use filters within the Orion camera that allow us to see through the flame. We have filters in the camera that allow us to see high temperatures, and then we have an absence of filters that allow us to see just kind of the background and see room temperatures. And we deploy all of these filters in the camera, and we pull the different data streams off the camera, and we can view each and every one of those individually. So if we want to focus our attention to the tip of the torch, we can look specifically at it. Or if we want to analyze the flame, we can look specifically at it. Or if we're interested in some of the details behind the flame, behind the tip, well, we can see those details as well, and that would be in the absence of a filter.
Available with a variety of detectors, the SC7000 can address any application in single and multispectral analysis. It is useful for gas detection, IR signatures, and R&D flame environments. Each detector has a programmable frame rate and integration time.
The information that comes from the camera is extremely accurate, and that has a lot to do with the detector that's utilized in the instrument, the electronics that are deployed, and also the programming that goes into the instrument as well. But all of that culminates into accuracy that can be as good as 1%. 1% repeatability, which is phenomenal.
The SC7000 series connects to a laptop computer through plug-and-play, CamLink, or Gig-E interfaces. The Altair software package provides analysis and image manipulation capabilities, and you can view and record up to 4 simultaneous data streams.
With Orion, the real value to it for an R&D engineer is that he can now be simultaneously looking at various materials under various conditions and get a very tight correlation between the stimulus and all its characteristics and the response and all its characteristics.
And you grab all of those data streams for all of those filter positions in a single computer from a single camera, so it greatly simplifies the analysis process for any scientist.
The FLIR Orion SC7000 series from FLIR's Advanced Thermal Solutions Group.